Hello students. So we were on exercise 4.3 and yesterday we have done two word problems, that is first and second. Okay, as this chapter is related to subtraction, so first two uh, word problems that we have done. Okay, so now today we will start with the next questions. So the third one, there are 2520 seats in a cinema hall. One day 1945 persons saw the movie. How many seats remain vacant? So according to question, they are telling us that in a cinema hall there are how many seats? 2520. And in some one day, at one day 1945 persons came to saw the movie. Okay, so we have to tell how many seats remain vacant. What is the meaning of vacant? Vacant means कितनी seats खाली रही. इन थिएटर वी वर हैविंग, हमारे पास टोटल कितनी सीट्स थी थिएटर में? 2520. एंड कितने लोग मूवी देखने आए थे? 1945. सो वी हैव टू टेल नाउ हाउ मेनी सीट्स वर वैकेंट. ठीक है, जितनी कितनी सीट्स जो खाली थी. सो सिंपली इट विल बी ऑफ subtraction. We can solve this sum only by subtraction. So do it yourself. Okay, as we have already done first and second, and yesterday also I have given you question number 3 for practice. Okay, simple, you can write total number of seats in a cinema hall, and second line you can write number of persons saw the movie, and then seats remain vacant. I have taken all these three lines, all these three statements from the given question or the given statement only. After that we will do the subtraction. Okay, moving to the next question number 4. There are 5125 students in a school. So they are telling us about a number of students in a school, and they are 5125. If the number of boys is 3809, and here the number of boys are given, that is 3809, find the number of girls. So now total number of students are given, number of boys in the school is also given, and we have to find the number of girls. Okay, and write the solution sentence. So we have to write the solution sentence also. Okay, total students, that is 5125, then number of boys 3809, and the number of girls that we will find by subtracting both. Okay, so this is how you are going to write. Total students is equal to 5125. You can also write total students in a school. Okay, then number of boys is equal to 3809. Number of girls, so where we have to find out the number of girls. So how we will calculate that? By subtracting these two. So we will subtract number of boys from total number of students. Okay, so in subtraction we will do here 5125, that was total number of students in the school, and 3809, it was number of boys. So now we will simply subtract it. So Can we subtract 9 from 5? No. So the 5 will carry from 2. 2 will be here. And 1 is 80 will be here. So 2 is here. So the 5 will carry from 2 and 2 will become 1 now. And 5 will become 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay. Now next 1 minus 0. Possible? Yes. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now next 1 minus 8. Is it possible? No. So now 1 will carry from its next number, that is 5, and after giving to 1 it will remain as 4 and the 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So number of girls is equal to 1316. This is our answer. Okay, I'll show you on the notebook also that how you will do it. Okay, then we have done already. So you can also write number of students, or you can write number of students or total number of students in a school, anything. So number of students is 5125. Number of boys are 3809. Number of girls we have to find, and we can find it by subtracting both. So after subtraction we will get our answer, that is 1316. 1316. Okay. So at the last we have to write a solution sentence also. So we will write, therefore there are 1316 girls in the school. Okay. So simple. So this was our question. Okay. Now moving to the next question number. Question number, right now we have done question number 4. Now we will do next, that is question number 5. The question number 5 is, the sum of two numbers is 48,275. If the one of them is 39,838, find the other. So in the question, what are they saying? They are telling us that if we add two numbers, then their sum will be, sum means addition, after addition their answer will be 48,275. If the one number is 39,838, what will be the other number? Okay, so this is the question. So how we are going to find it? Simply, if we subtract this number from their sum, from the both of these two sums, from the sum of both these two numbers, if we subtract this number with the sum of both these numbers, we will get our answer. Okay. So simply we will subtract 39,838, okay, from 48,275. Okay. As this is a word problem, so we also need to write the statement. The statement is in the sum itself. The first line is saying the sum of two numbers is 48,275. So you can write sum of two numbers is equal to 48,275. If one of them is 39,836, this is the second line. So one number is equal to 39,838 find the other. So other number that we will find. Okay, I'll show you on the copy again, sorry, on the solution also. Okay, so just write question number 5. Sum of two numbers is equal to, write properly, I am having a space issue here. So sum of two numbers is equal to 48,275. One number is equal to 39,838. Okay, you just write it in one sentence because I was not having space, that's why I have written down. So other number so we have to find what the number. So this is how we are going to find the other number, by subtracting these two numbers. Okay, so now we will subtract the sum of both the digit was 48,275 minus 39,838. So we have to find. So can we subtract 8 from 5? No. So it will borrow from its next number, that is 7, and the 7 will become 6 now, and 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7. Now we can subtract 3 from 6. Yes. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Moving to the next, 2 minus 8, not possible. Carry from other number, and it will become 7, and it will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 7 minus 9, not possible. Carry from another number, that is 4, and it will become 3, and this number will become 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. So the answer is 8,437. So the other number is 8,437. Okay, I'll show you how you have to do in the notebook also. Sum of two numbers is equal to 48,275. One number 39,838. Other number we have to find out. Okay, so after subtracting both the numbers, we have got our answer, that is 8,437. So this is the another number. So at last we will write, therefore another number is 8,437. 8437. Okay, moving to the next. Question number 6. Seema added 11,780 to a number. She got the sum 18,035. What was the number she started with? Okay, it is as simple and as similar as the above question, that is question number 5. Question 6 is totally related to question number 5, totally same as question number 5. In this also the sum of a number, two numbers is given, and the one number is also given. So you have to find the other number. That according to question, that Seema added 11,780 to a number. So सीमा ने ये 11,780 किसी एक नंबर में ऐड किया है. तो दैट मीन्स उसने जिस नंबर में इसको ऐड किया है, तो ये दो नंबर्स को इसने आपस में ऐड किया है. तो दैट मीन्स that means this is the one number, and she got the sum of 18,035. ओके, और उन दो नंबर्स को ऐड करने के बाद शी गॉट द सम इज 18,035. what number she started with? So now we have to tell what was the other number that she had started with. Okay, same as above, just do it yourself and you will easily find out the answer. Okay, so just in this also we have to simply subtract. Okay, just while subtracting, always keep in mind, I have told you in the beginning of the chapter also that subtraction can be possible only when we subtract smaller number from bigger number. Okay, the bigger number will be on the top and the smaller number will be at the bottom, not the bottom, at the second place. Okay, now question number 7. A factory produced 13,285 TV sets in April and 20,302 TV sets in May. So there's a factory which is producing producer of TV sets, and it has produced in April. It has produced how many TV sets? 13,285. And in May it has produced how many TV sets? 20,302. So find the increase in the number of TV sets. So we have to find out the increase in the number of TV sets. As you can see, in April it was 13,000 something, and in May it was 20,000 something. So you can easily observe that the 13,000 was in April and 20,000 was in May. So that means the production has increased. The number of TV sets production in a sorry, in a month has increased. Okay, so we have to tell how many production or how many more number of TV sets, or what is the total number or the increase in the number of TV sets. Okay, so let's just find out. So first of all, what will the statement? Simply TV sets produced in April, TV. Okay, then second, TV sets produced in May, and the third one is increase in production of TV sets. Okay, so let's just do the sum. Okay, now here again we are going to solve it in this way only. Okay, so first statement will be TV sets produced in April is equal to 13,285. Second, TV sets produced in May is equal to 20,302. So increase in production. So we have to find increase in production. Okay, that you will solve, that you will find out by subtracting the number of TV sets produced in May by subtracting number of TV sets produced in April from number of TV sets produced in May. So that means जो मई में प्रोडक्शन हुई है उसमें से हमें अप्रैल के प्रोडक्शन माइनस करेंगे, देन वी विल इजीली गेट आवर आंसर. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी, so I'll show you on the notebook also, it will be more clear to you all what you have to write. Okay, so the number of sets produced in May was 20,302, and number of TV sets produced in April was 13,285 simply. So now we have to subtract 2 minus 5, not possible. It will borrow from it and it is already 0. So it will again borrow from this. So 3 will become 2 and it will become 10. So now after borrowing, if the 2 borrow from 0, that is 10 now, then it will become 9 and it will become 12. So 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 8, 1. So 2 minus 2 is possible, yes. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 minus 3 is possible, no. So again it will borrow from its next number, that is 2, and it will remain as 1 and it will become 10. 10 minus 3, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. So the number of TV sets increased is equal to 7017. Okay, 7017. Okay, I'll show in the notebook also. TV sets produced in April, 13,285. TV sets produced in May, 20,302. Increase in production of TV sets is equal to 20,302 minus 13,285. So after subtraction, we have got our answer, that was 7,017. 7017. Okay, and the last we will write the as usual. Therefore, the 3 dots are the sign of therefore. Increase in number of TV sets is 7017. That is 7017. Okay. So this is we have done with our question number 7 also of exercise 4.3. Moving to the next. Okay, moving to the question number 8. Okay, it is little bit not okay. Now it is visible properly. 43,742 persons came to see a football match on Sunday. 27,936 persons came on Monday. So, in a football match, number of persons came on Sunday to see the match. It was 43,742, and the number of persons who came to see the match on Monday was 27,936. So, how many more persons visited on Sunday? So, as you can see, the number of person who visited on Sunday was approx 43,000 and something, and the number of person who visited on Monday is 27,000 and something around. Okay, so it is clear from the statement that the number of person visited on Sunday was more than Monday. So we have to find out how many persons more visited on Sunday. Okay, so in the last write the number sentence. So in this question we have to find the number sentence also. Sorry, we have to write the number sentence also. Okay, simple one as we have done above question number 7. It is just like it. Okay, just same key number of person see match on Monday. Sorry, on Sunday. Or you can write persons came to see football match on Sunday is equal to 43,742. Persons came to see a football match on Monday is 27,936. So, more person visited on Sunday is equal to, by subtracting these two numbers, we will get our answer. Okay, so at last don't forget to write the number sentence that it is asked in the question also. Okay, now moving to question number 9. Deepika bought a motorcycle for rupees 40,000 and a scooter for rupees 28,560. That there is a Deepika who bought motorcycle and scooter, okay, both, and the cost of motorcycle was 40,000 and the cost of scooter was 28,560. How much did she pay more for the motorcycle? Okay, it is very much clear that she paid more for the motorcycle. So in this we have to find out how much more money did she pay for the motorcycle. Okay, we can calculate. How will we calculate? Yes, by subtraction. So cost price of motorcycle. So what will be the sentence statement? Cost price of motorcycle is equal to rupees 40,000. Cost price of scooter is equal to rupees 28,560. Okay, these two statements came from the question. Just in spite of writing bought, just write down cost of motorcycle, cost of scooter. Okay, then the third one, that is our question, how much did she pay more for the motorcycle? So in this we will write money she paid more for the motorcycle, or more money she paid for the motorcycle is equal to 40,000 minus 28,560. So after subtracting it, we will get our answer. Okay, so this one also you will do yourself. So today you have to do how many questions? Question number 3, 6, 8 and 9. These 4 questions that you have to do yourself. 3, 6, 8 and 9. Okay, these are the as similar as like the other questions. Okay, if the other questions are clear to you, then you can easily do these also. Okay, moving next. Question number 10. 4,523 minus 2,312, then plus 684. So it is clear from the question that first of all we have to subtract 2,312 from 4,523, and then we have to add 684. Okay, so all of you know the board mass. Okay, we must do all calculation according to board mass only. So we all know board mass. Okay, so B is bracket, O is off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So in board mass, which addition comes first or subtraction comes first? Yes, addition comes first. So first of all, what will we do? We will do the addition. After that we will do the subtraction. So according to the question, as you can see, 4,523 minus 2,312. So the minus is in the front of 2,312. That means it is a minus digit, so a minus number. So if for this, first of all we will add both positive numbers, that is 4,523 and 684. Okay, so after adding both these numbers, whatever the answer came, then we will subtract the third number, that is 2,312. Okay, I'll show you on by calculation also. Let's just start. So the question was 4,523. So for plus, first of all we will add both positive numbers, plus 684. Positive numbers are those who are having plus in front of them or nothing in front of them, and those who are having minus in front of them are called negative numbers. Okay, now first of all we have to add this 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 8, 10, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, 12, 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 5,207. That is 5207. Okay. So here we have done we have taken two numbers and the third one is left, that was of subtraction. Now the answer came 5,207, and now we will subtract the third number, that was 2312. So now we will subtract it. 7 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 1, possible? No. So simply it will carry from its next number and it will become 10 and it will remain as 1. 10 minus 1, 9. 1 minus 3, possible? No. So it will carry from its next number, that is 5, and it will become 4 and it will become 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 2895. That is 2895. Okay. I'll show you on the notebook also that how you have to do it. Simply first of all write down the question. Okay. First of all write it in the row form and then convert it into the column form. So first of all we have added both the positive numbers, that is 4523 and 684. So the answer came 5207. So after that we have the one number, that is minus 2312. So that means we have to subtract it from the sum of other two numbers. So 5207 minus 2312, and the answer will be 2895. So this is our answer. Okay. So moving to the next, that is question number 11. It is as similar as the 10th one. Okay, just do it yourself or we will discuss it tomorrow also. Okay, as you can see the two numbers are in negative, so don't worry, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, again. So this is enough for today. So you have to do 4 word problems, that is question number 3, 6, 8 and 9. 3, 6, 8 and 9. Okay, so this is your homework of exercise 4.3. Good day.